We're at Island View Casino in Gulfport, Mississippi. This is actually a pretty big place. They got lots of places to eat here. They got a Sam's Club. They got a aquarium. They got Golden Corral here. It's about around 15 miles to below here. They got a casino here. And what's this casino called, Kevin? Island View. So they got a bridge to the hotel here. And it's pretty big. We're parked across the street. And they got the casino over here. And I believe they have a buffet as well. So come with us and we're going to check it out. So new members here, they get $40 free on the day they sign up, but that's $20 play and $20 food credit. And plus extra bonus here, it looks like. They say they got more rewards here than any other casino down here is what I read on the comments. And I've heard their food is good. And they actually got a lot of reviews on Google here. I think they had over 13,000 reviews here. So it's like a 4-point-something star as well. Follow us. I just noticed the beautiful wildlife here. We just saw several squirrels. There's one on a tree right there. There were several of them. They saw us, so they were running. But this is a beautiful tree here. Yeah, this is nice. The entrance here. This ain't the hotel entrance. Oh gosh, I smell the food too. And it just smells really good. It's gonna be tempting to eat here, that's for sure. Alright, gotta be 21, ID required to enter here. So we got something called the coffee shop over here. I see some escalators and I see a beignet cafe. Look at that. There's a beignet cafe, so that's cool. And there's the casinos there. Hotel registration over here. So we're getting us a player's card here. What I like about this, it's right by the front door. It's convenient. You just walk right on the left, and there it is. I know other casinos I've had to look for, so this is cool. So I like that for sure. Let's look for that. You already like this one better?
50-cent one versus 84 cents pairs.
Oh, okay. 50 cents one, yeah, because of the lines and stuff. Yeah. Okay. It's pretty big, actually. And they got a bar over here, it looks like. Right next to the Players Club. Yeah. Alright. Shows the offers here. Looks like I got some brochures. What's this about bring a friend? Well, that's pretty nice. Okay. And looks like they have a course here. Now I was going to tell you, they have everything here in Gulfport. I even got to tell you there's an outlet mall here. Looking for the best. #1 in the U.S. for best casino rewards and U.S. top 10 luckiest casino, it says. So it's Island View Casino Resort and Beach View, which is a smoke-free casino resort, right here together. Let's see what they have here on this sign. How low can you go? And got one over here on the side. see what's on this sign here. Did you get your card, Kevin?
I did, yeah, we've never been here.
No, we've never been here. We've been here as far as the town, but not this casino. And there's the country club again. And they do have a hotel here. And I hear their food's alright. Insider benefits at a glance here. And here's the buffet. They got a buffet, which is nice. They rarely take a lot of buffets out of casinos all over the country, even Las Vegas. I hear the breakfast is really good. So those are good prices for the buffet. Plus you get a $20 credit, which is really nice. So that's the same thing there, I think. So that's pretty good. Now, I don't know if they got crab legs or not. I'm guessing no with those prices. But yeah, there's a grill over there too, and we'll be checking that out. Alright, so they got a CG and grill here. And it looks like, I don't know if that's a stage or what over there. I'm not really sure. And these are the hours here. So it looks really pretty. It's about to open. Ain't nothing like that Louisiana type of food. Don't forget you got a $20 food credit too, which is nice for new members. Looks like I got a treasure train here, it looks like. Looks like they got a Toyota giveaway here. That's nice. Oh, they do? Oh yeah, I'll check that out in just a minute. Let's see. We got something over here. Oh, 50 plus. Oh, I'm qualified for that. That's nice. I'm considered a senior here. Oh, they have a spin thing here. That's cool. They got a wheel. Nice. Let's see what this says. Pretty nice. What is it called? Plinko? Nice. Alright, let's look at these cars they got here. So you win this Toyota here, it looks like. A Tundra, that's nice. They got something else over here too you could win. Another Toyota. Looks nice. Yeah, I like this here. Yeah, Highlander. I wouldn't mind having a Highlander. I would love to win that. I would love to win a Highlander. I know my husband would probably want to win the truck, but I like the Highlander. Oh, and they got another one here too you could win. Right here, another Toyota, which is really nice. So that's pretty good, yeah. Alright, well let's go play some games. They got a sunset bar here. That looks pretty nice. So You can see it in here. Looks like they have people come and sing. Let's see what's over here. There's a Carter Green Steakhouse here. And here is the menu here for that. Okay. Ooh, look at that wine. That looks nice. Pretty big restaurant. Looks really nice. Got plenty of wine here. Pretty nice setting here. Yeah, looks really good. We got something here called the Center Bar here. This is what I'm talking about. Free drinks. Got some tea here. I got a Coke machine. I got it. I wonder if they got free coffee too, Kevin.
Sometimes it's out right now.
It's out right now? Oh, okay. They sometimes have it? Okay. So I showed you the buffet prices earlier. So this is the buffet here. You can see from a distance. Right there. We got the coffee shop here. Salads look good. And here, chips. Oh, they got some nice looking muffins here. Cakes.
Oh, okay.
That's a pretty cake right there. They got a nice looking cheesecake. So here's their prices here. Right there. Don't forget, you got the $20 credit for new members. And what's nice is they got a beignet cafe here, which is really nice. There's the price of the beignets. Yeah, she probably would, yeah. They sure do smell good. They smell really good. Sweet stock. Oh, they got a diner too. Look at this. So there's a sweet stock. No, the food's not bad here at all, no. Oh, they got gelato. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. They got some gelato here. Oh wow, look at all these cakes. These look nice. Look at that. Big cupcakes, big. Those up there look like pralines. That looks pretty nice. Oh, more stuff over here. Wow. They got some more stuff here. There's the pralines right there. Real popular in this area, especially in Louisiana. Nothing like a praline. I just love Louisiana food. I could eat it all the time. I love Louisiana food, that's for sure. So you got an elevator here. There's the diner here. That's nice. See, I already got the prices here, I think, on the diner. All right. I have never seen this on a machine. You could put your phone here and charge your phone, which is pretty cool. We're charging his. Perfect. Oh wow, Kevin. That's great. That's pretty good for betting 50 cents. Gotta like those bonuses, man.
I love bonuses, yeah.
I thought we wasn't gonna get, but we did. And this is the money we had from what they gave us, the $20 on his card. I didn't win on mine. So we're in the buffet here. Looks really nice. They seem to be friendly here. And you get a $20 credit for new people. So let's just check out what they got here. Oh, they got some nice labels here. So that's nice.
Look. There you go, Randy, for your test. No, that's a test. 1, 2, 3. That's a test. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's good, man. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Good, man. There you go. Good.
It looks good. It's beautiful.
There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what we're talking about.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Can you tell the young gentleman back there why?
There's some more food they got, and it's nicely labeled here.
I was telling where the crabs at, where the broccoli at, people.
Oh wow, the shrimp looks really good. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. Now I could eat that. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look at this. It smells so good. Nice and beautiful. Okay. Wow, they got plenty of food here actually. Yes, all kinds of food here. This is a nice buffet. Baked chicken, fried Cajun turkey, wow. Carved roast beef. That looks great. This food looks really good. I mean, you don't even need the crab legs actually. It looks so good. Oh, cornbread dressing. I love cornbread dressing.
Thank you so much.
Y'all did a good job. That looks good. Chicken parmesan. Stuffed cheese shells. Oh my gosh. I tell you, this makes me want to definitely eat here. Looks really good. Don't even need the crab legs. Oh, look at that pizza. Oh, it's fire grilled. Oh, wow. That's so nice. So nice.
Got the butter and the,
And all that's homemade right there.
Okay. Oh, and that's gelato? Wow. They got gelato there. Alright, so this is the creamery. And oh gosh, hot fudge and caramel. Oh wow. Look at these cherries. Pineapple topping, whipped cream. Oh, and they got all kinds of candy toppings here. This is nice. That is nice. And they got a big sitting area too, which is really nice. Bar here. Got the dressings. Labels are really nice. Wow. Look at that tossed salad. They got some pecan pie coming up here. The cookies smell really fresh. Cream brulee. Cupcakes.
Get on back.
Cakes. Beautiful cakes here. And they got a bunch of them like right here. That is nice. Oh, they even got no sugar added stuff for diabetics. Oh wow. Bread pudding with whiskey sauce. Now that looks good. Oh yeah, that looks nice. They even got funnel cakes. Wow. Sliced pound cake. Banana Foster sauce. Oh my god. That's a Louisiana food right there. Oh my gosh. I'm really tempted to eat here. Very tempted. Use my $20 credit. I mean, this looks nice. Oh god, that watermelon smells so delicious. This looks really nice. Wow. Oh, and they got Caesar salad too, which is really nice. I love Caesar salad. Glazed ham pork sausage looks really, really, really good. Look at that. Oh my. And those ribs. Oh yeah. And I love stuffed seafood crabs. Look at that. That looks delish. Alright, so here's my meal here, and everything just looks so delicious here. Looks great. I got me a stuffed crab too over there. Okay, so that buffet looked delicious. That's the lunch buffet. So they don't serve crab legs here. Okay, but it's a lot cheaper and you get a $20 food credit for new members. It looked delicious. They had banana foster and all kinds of good food in there. And they had stuffed crabs and all kinds of stuff. The desserts look delicious. So, I mean, I'm tempted to eat here, even though I like crab legs. I'm tempted to eat here, so it looks really good. Looks like they got a shop here. Oh my, I love that ladybug. That is nice. And the frog too. Looks like they got some cute stuff here. Got some nice watches here too. Candy. Some jewelry. Keychain.
Was it just one of the ones hanging up? Yeah. Oh, okay. It was on top of this.
That's a beautiful jewelry here. got some drinks. How beautiful this is. Oh wow. This is beautiful. I like those little boxes. They're cute. Here's the brochure that they gave us when we signed up. This is for September right here. Now they have live entertainment on Wednesdays, and it says here you can come enjoy line dancing lessons before each show. Admission is free. Seating at 7:30 p.m. Show starts at 8. View showroom. Come early and join us for line dancing lessons at 6 o'clock p.m. for free. That's pretty cool right there. Now we toured the Island View Casino Resort that's not on the beach, so there were people smoking in it, but they do have another casino across the street called the Beach View that is smoke free. We haven't toured it yet. I'm not sure if we will or not, but I wanted to let you know there is a smoke-free casino as well on the beach. Here's the map here, as you can see.
What they got that? They got a multiplier thing? No. Look up at it, dear.
We're at the Beach View next to the Island View here in Gulfport, Mississippi. That's a beautiful tree. So we got a beach coffee shop here. Dockside Deli.
We are down to number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, that number's just floor. We're down to
Got a daiquiri bar here.
They're all